We are still on the same document from the New York State Education Department Computer Science and Digital Fluency Standards PDF for grades 4 through 6. We have focused now on the cybersecurity page, which is page 6 on your document. On here, you're going to see there are 3 sub-concept areas that you see listed along the left. And we're going to take a look within each of these standards to take a look and see what they're asking us to do. The first one for cybersecurity is for risks, and the standard says explain why different types of information might need to be protected. Here, the emphasis is on discussing different reasons that adversaries may want to obtain, compromise, or leverage different types of information. At this stage, students should be focused on general concepts. So really, you're just telling them or you're helping them understand why they wouldn't share a password and so on. It gets much more complex as they move up in grades. In safeguards, we have 3 standards. The first one is to be able to describe common safeguards for protecting our personal information. Here, we're going to describe common safeguards such as protecting devices and accounts with strong passwords, keeping software updated, and not sending sensitive information over our system managements. As we move into cybersecurity 3, we're describing the trade-offs, allowing information to be public and keeping information private and secure. So we're thinking about the trade-offs of the data that we share. So we know that our students log in definitely as early as 4th grade to different websites, and what information are they giving away? How is that information being used? As we move into CY4, model and explain the purpose of simple cryptographic methods. This is a fun one for students. Really have some fun looking at Breakout EDU or the Pigpen cipher or Caesar shift. Look at hieroglyphics to emojis and the development of language. This is going to allow students to understand how ciphers are used to encrypt and decrypt messages to keep our data safe. And then as we get into the response, it's cybersecurity 5, we're talking about suspicious activity applications and devices. So really our students need to know what to do if there's been some sort of breach. So we want to make sure that we're teaching our students about viruses, malware, ransom attacks, white hats, gray hats, and so on. Students love to learn about these topics. So this is a great one to really introduce and get your students a chance to do some research on their own and maybe teach us a thing or two. So have some fun with cybersecurity. Take a look at these and think about how you can develop them more to be within your classroom.